Want to make your projects stand out with a dynamic and professional mouse cursor? In this video, I'll show you how to go beyond a simple cursor and design it more engaging and interactive in After Effects. It's really perfect for tutorial, presentation, or adding a unique touch to your design. Okay, without further ado, let's jump in. Using a dynamic mouse cursor is way more interesting than sticking to the basic one. Here's how you can create one. First, make sure you have a vector layer for your mouse cursor. This will keep it clean and sharp at any scale. Once that's ready, grab the pen tool and draw your path. Afterwards, search for path, copy its properties, and paste them onto the position of your mouse cursor. Next, let's tweak the scale a little bit. As the cursor gets closer to the monitor, make it slightly smaller for more realistic effect. Don't forget to use the keyframes to keep the animation smooth. Now to refine the look, select your arrow layer and search for the path again. Add some keyframes to keep the original form intact, but then reshape the arrow along the path to give it more natural flow. Apply CC Force Motion Blur to the layer. It adds the final touch of realism, and there you go, your dynamic mouse cursor is ready to shine.